TOI stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all that in this very short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at TOI, or whatever the pronunciation is for you, it's looking sick. It's looking pretty good. And finally, we're above $1. Let's go. I was looking to buy, but the rules never got met, and the price kind of did its own thing and just kept melting. I mean, just kept delivering. I mean, I've done the most videos ever on YouTube from this type of character. Show me another guy that's done 38,000 videos. I bet you won't. But looking at TOI, obviously like thousands of crap, all the proof is documented. It's like crazy. But as long as the price pulls down and shows me some type of like a shift and whatnot, then and only then I'm going to look to take it up. If not, it's all good. Like me randomly buying is again just not going to be an option. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.